Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar and also salad bar. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe one more time again on the menu on the channel. I'm going to show you guys, you know what happened? I take a picture of my celery water and I post it on my Instagram. Roughly 95% of the people I'm saying they need the recipe. Alright guys, I'm definitely going to make you the recipe today. It's a very easy recipe. It is celery and water. All you need to do is to leave this for roughly about 5 to 6 hours in the bottle for the celery to dissolve in the water. Then you can drink it after. Especially if you want to make a bottle of it and just leave it in your fridge overnight, is even better, and then you drink it first thing in the morning before your breakfast. We all know that celery is an allergy and a lot of people are allergic to allergies, so you have to be careful. Check with your doctor or do some research before you do this one if you're allergic to certain things. If you're not allergic, you're welcome. Like me myself, I'm not allergic to nothing. Yeah, I'm allergic to ackee and I'm from Jamaica, can you imagine? Alright, and I love ackee, but I can't eat it. We are allergic to something. Anyway, it's that allergic thing we're talking about. We're talking about celery water today. I take the picture, post it on my Instagram, on my Facebook page. A lot of people saying they need a recipe. So we're just gonna give you the ideas, what happened, how it make, and don't forget, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe and the latest update from Chef Ricardo team. This is Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar. Nice. So this is it. I'm already made this one from early and I was having it soaking in. So this one, you just have to just drink this now. It's roughly about 5 hours. I've been soaking this one. So this now, I'm gonna show you what I did. All I did is I like to use this part of the celery, this leaf part. I put this down inside of it, and also a few pieces of celery inside of the buckle. I did a video like this on Chef Ricardo cooking show, but I never did one like this on my juice bar channel. Once you do it like this, leave it in the buckle, just like this guys, and honestly, you can drink this for 5 morning. It is just good for detoxing your body, and also it just clean out your immune system. So sometimes it's good to try natural stuff with natural thing like natural water. The better is how it works is in the morning before your breakfast. Give it a try, give it a go. You may like it, you may not like it, but you know what I mean, as I said, it's just a detoxing drink, and then you guys definitely can drink this one. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo juice bar channel and also salad bar. I will see you next time with more recipe. As I said, do some research about celery and what's the benefit of celery. Drink it for 5 days, see what happened. As I said, this one I'm already made this one. Just make this one to show you what I did. Just leave it for 5 to 6 hours and that's it, and drink it after. Stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye bye.